The Altar of Zeus, from God's throne to Satan's seat? A mighty altar built to honor the king of the gods, later condemned as the throne of Satan. How did the altar of Zeus in Pergamon go from a place of worship to a biblical warning? Let's uncover the truth behind this ancient enigma. The kingdom of Pergamon emerged as a significant power after the death of Alexander the Great. Located in present-day Turkey, it became a cultural and military powerhouse of the Hellenistic world. Pergamon rivaled even Alexandria and Antioch in its splendor. The city was renowned for its library, second only to Alexandria's, and its advancements in medicine. Pergamon was a beacon of Hellenistic civilization. Its rulers were ambitious and sought to immortalize their reign through monumental architecture. The Altar of Zeus was built in the 2nd century BCE during the reign of King Eumenes II. It served as a grand tribute to Zeus, the king of the gods in the Greek pantheon. The altar was also dedicated to Athena, the patron goddess of Pergamon. The structure was designed to impress, showcasing extraordinary craftsmanship and artistic skill. It was a symbol of Pergamon's power, wealth, and devotion to the Greek gods. The altar stood as a testament to the city's cultural achievements. The Altar of Zeus was not just a place of worship, it was a masterpiece of Hellenistic art. Its unique architectural details included a massive platform adorned with intricate sculptures. The most striking feature was the high-relief friezes. These friezes depicted the gigantomachy, the epic battle between the Olympian gods and the giants. The dynamic and expressive figures conveyed a sense of drama and power. The artistry of the friezes is considered one of the pinnacles of Hellenistic sculpture. Fast forward to the 1st century CE. The kingdom of Pergamon had long been absorbed into the Roman Empire. The city remained an important center, but its religious landscape was changing. Pergamon became a stronghold of Roman rule in Asia Minor. Emperor worship became increasingly prevalent, with temples dedicated to Roman emperors. This shift in religious focus would have significant implications. The Book of Revelation, written in the late 1st century CE, contains a message to the church in Pergamon. Revelation states, "I know where you dwell, where Satan's throne is." This passage has fueled centuries of debate and speculation. Scholars have proposed various theories to explain the reference to Satan's throne. Could the grand altar, linked to Zeus and pagan rituals, have been seen as a place of evil by early Christians? The altar's association with paganism made it a target. The altar's prominence in a city known for emperor worship could also have contributed to its negative image. Early Christians likely viewed these practices as idolatrous and offensive to their faith. The altar became a symbol of pagan resistance. Persecution of Christians in Pergamon further solidified the association with evil. The martyrdom of Saint Antipas, a bishop of Pergamon, is recorded in Revelation 2 verse 13. Antipas was said to have been burned alive during a pagan festival. The martyrdom of Antipas and other Christians in Pergamon highlighted the conflict between Christianity and paganism. The Altar of Zeus, as a symbol of the Old Order, became associated with the persecution and suffering of the early church. This cemented its reputation as Satan's throne. In the late 19th century, German archaeologists embarked on a mission to excavate the ancient city of Pergamon. Led by Karl Humann, the team uncovered the ruins of the Altar of Zeus. The discovery was a sensation. The excavation revealed the remarkable scale and artistry of the altar. The friezes were carefully removed and transported to Berlin. This relocation sparked controversy and debate that continues to this day. The Altar of Zeus was reconstructed in the Pergamon Museum in Berlin. It became one of the museum's most prized possessions. The altar's presence in Berlin has raised questions about cultural heritage and ownership. The altar's fate took another dark turn in the 20th century. Connections to Nazi Germany and claims of its influence on Hitler's architectural designs emerged. Some believe that the altar's grandeur and symbolism inspired Nazi propaganda. The Nazis used classical imagery and architecture to promote their ideology of racial superiority and imperial power. The Altar of Zeus, with its imposing scale and depictions of heroic battles, became a symbol of German ambition. This association further tarnished the altar's reputation. The Altar of Zeus remains one of history's most mysterious and controversial relics. Was it truly a throne of Satan, or just a masterpiece of ancient Greek art misunderstood by a new faith? Its story is a complex tapestry of religious conflict, artistic achievement, and political manipulation. The altar's journey from a place of worship to a symbol of evil reflects the changing tides of history. It serves as a reminder of the power of symbols and the enduring legacy of the ancient world. The Altar of Zeus continues to fascinate and provoke debate. Final push for engagement. Backhand index pointing right, what do you think? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Turkish Odyssey for more untold stories from history.